We believe in a product that can secure and enhance your driving experience with an intuitive and powerful camera device. Built for high performance and reliability, introducing the third generation Rexing V1 Dashcam with an optional premium upgrade. The Core Ultra HD camera, with a wide field of view, the best of its kind, enables maximum picture resolution and clarity. With its wide dynamic range technology and advanced image sensor, the V1 automatically adapts to any light condition. We enhanced the way dashcams record. Loop recording will automatically overwrite the oldest files, allowing you to keep recording with no interruptions. The G sensor smartly identifies collisions of the vehicle, enables auto lock of the current video, ensuring your most important footage is kept protected. We also simplified the way dashcams communicate and transfer data with the third generation Rexing V1's colorful LED display, GPS capability, and Wi-Fi video transfer features. Built for high durability, the Rexing V1 allows continuing high performance in an extreme temperature environment. Discreet design of the lightweight body with its black finish and low-profile form, Rexing V1 can be easily disguised behind the window shield, documenting your road trips and securing your daily drives with its undemanding characteristics. Engineered for quality, designed for reliability.
When it comes to protecting your vehicle, you should never have to compromise. Introducing the BlackVue DR900X Plus series dashcams. With a new and improved 4K ultra-high resolution front camera, you'll capture the most critical details day and night. BlackVue's seamless pairing means that it's easier than ever before to connect to your dashcam without ever having to leave the BlackVue app. We understand that you are not always going to be with your vehicle. The DR900X Plus series makes it easy to stay connected by using the optional LTE connectivity module or by simply connecting to a mobile hotspot. Now you'll enjoy the benefits of the BlackVue Cloud, such as remote live view or impact notifications. And with built-in voltage monitoring, you can hardwire your BlackVue without having to worry about draining your vehicle's battery. The DR900X Plus series also features BlackVue's new mobile hotspot function, letting you turn your LTE-connected dashcam into a wireless hotspot to connect up to 5 devices while on the go. BlackVue DR900X Plus series, the ultimate 4K cloud dashcam. Find yours at BlackVue.com.
Whether you use your car for your daily commute or as your main source of income, road safety is essential. With more distractions inside the car and more vehicles on the road every year, you need a truthful record of accidents to avoid irresponsible drivers and unnecessary hassles at the courthouse. At Rexing, we believe in protecting drivers and ensuring accountability on the road. This is the Rexing V2, your roadside witness. V2 is a high-powered premium dashcam. With its distinct dual-channel design, you can capture detailed recordings of the road ahead and behind the wheel. Advanced image sensors with wide dynamic range allow the cameras to perform optimally, adapting to any light condition. Control how you record with single-channel 4K Ultra HD recording or dual-channel simultaneous 1080p Full HD recording. Each V2 lens possesses a 170-degree ultra-wide field of view, covering a far-reaching angle to give you a comprehensive picture inside and outside the vehicle. The sleek, discreet design allows the V2 to be mounted anywhere on the windshield, giving taxi, Uber, Lyft, and other occupational drivers a professional appearance while keeping them secure. Intuitive loop recording overwrites your unlocked oldest files, allowing you to continuously record without interruptions. The cutting-edge G sensor automatically detects collisions, auto-locking the current video on impact to ensure the most important footage is protected. And the ready-to-use built-in Wi-Fi makes viewing, saving, and sharing recordings on your smartphone or tablet easier than ever. Engineered for quality, designed for reliability.
When you drive for a living, your vehicle is your biggest asset. That's why you need the ultimate dashcam protection, even while you're away. Introducing the BlackVue DR750 2-channel IR LTE with built-in cloud compatibility. BlackVue monitors the road ahead and the interior of your vehicle, giving you the evidence you need in case an incident occurs. The interior camera is equipped with an infrared sensor and LEDs, so you'll capture clear videos even in the darkest of lighting conditions. We understand that you're not always with your car. With an optional parking mode accessory, you can power your dashcam even when you're away without draining your vehicle's battery. Connecting your dashcam to the cloud is easy using a mobile hotspot or the built-in SIM slot for LTE connectivity. You'll benefit from BlackVue cloud features such as impact notifications, event auto upload, and remote live view. Keep yourself and your car protected with the BlackVue DR750 2-channel IR LTE.